Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the NFC S25 Ultra and confirming battery and firmware. This prevents interruptions. Next, enable NFC on your phone and unlock the screen so tags register immediately. Then, hold both devices back-to-back at about 0.2 cm and align centers. This maximizes antenna coupling. You do this because close, centered placement ensures a stable data link, and a charged, updated device avoids failed writes, so begin these actions now and don't skip them. Once connected, open the S25 app or a compatible NFC reader so you control read/write modes. This is how you pick the right data format. Select the type: URL for links, vCard for contacts, Wi-Fi for network creds, or app link for direct launches, because each uses different memory structures. Make sure to tap and hold steady. Wait 1 to 3 seconds for the confirmation beep or on-screen OK. If writing, verify the preview before confirming to avoid corrupting the tag. To finish, read back the tag to verify the data and then test the URL or connection so you confirm practical success. After verification, exit write mode and store the S25 Ultra safely to prevent accidental overwrites, because an unlocked tag is easy to corrupt. If something goes wrong, reboot both devices, retry the write, and check whether the tag is already locked or write protected. That single check explains most failures, so you'll usually recover quickly by addressing locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.